Linking a bank account to Miranda NG is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Download and install the app. Begin by downloading the Miranda NG app from your device's App Store. Once downloaded, install the app and open it to start the setup process. Step 2. Create an account or login. If you are a new user, create an account by providing the necessary information such as your email and password. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Step 3. Navigate to bank linking section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRIP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank details. Select the option to link a bank account and enter the required details such as your bank name, account number, and any other requested information. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and finalize the linking. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy and confirm the linking process. You may receive a verification email or SMS to complete the linking. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Miranda NG. You can now manage your transactions and finances directly through the app.